holds about 1.5 pints, 1.5. This is a large bowl.
Hi, I bought this bowl in May of 2021 and take the dogs walking almost every day. This morning I went to uncollapse it, and it's a little sandy where it's been in there. That isn't a crack yet, but anyway, it just, this is what it did. And I think compared to what it was said it would do, the ring is better than the other bowls I bought before, the year before, but this isn't, I mean, I'm gonna have to buy something new, or the owner's gonna have to replace it, because this is not okay. It's the Bonza Pet Life Made Easy. I don't know, it's got a warranty, so I may check that.
This is an excellent water bowl, especially for my guy. Easy to collapse, so when we're on the go, I can carry it around. Like I said, my 120-pounder drinks a lot of water, so this definitely comes in handy.